Go, go.
Okay. Unicorn pony. Unicorn pony.
Do one more.
Okay. Boo ha ha. Should have brought the sled out here. Ow! That hurt. Should have ordered my snow pants. Your turn. Shut up.
I don't know anything. Do the werewolf. What? You go like this and you go.
Roar.
The standstill dinosaur. I don't know. Making the, ow, my hand's going numb. Up.
A boring one.
What was that? The handicap? She's a handicap, JK. She's not.
I got myself.
The leaping tiger cat of Egypt.
An
Egyptian.
Remember? I sent you that picture and I'm like, dee 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 dee. We're serious.
Okay. Awkward. Dramatic slide. Go!
Guitar solo. Okay. Hold on, let me do one more guitar solo. Guitar solo. Yeah. Okay. Carly's turn to do a guitar solo.
I can't do it. I don't have good balance. Just you can do a standstill one, like when you're standing on 2 feet. Or if you fall, you can just make it up. Go ahead. Excuse me. Stupid Vinny, he's over there. There he is. Crap.
Oh, there he is.
Prime suspect. Dang it, where'd he go? They've got him. Uh-oh. Jump, Vinny, jump. Get over there. Stupid dog. He's over there. Okay, we're good. The sleeping bear. Wake it up. Okay. All right, my turn.
Time for the Eiffel Tower. Okay, no. Vinny, house.
If you don't know, Vinny's a dog.
Yeah, Vinny's a dog, sorry.
The horses are trying to kill him.
And he's trying to get over by... Hurry!
What?